Mandy Pugilis, Director of Tax Services here at Valley National Financial Advisors. And I'd like to take a moment to walk you through the tax preparation process and remind you of a few important deadlines for the completion of your 2025 tax return. We're currently putting the final touches on your personalized income tax organizer. This will be delivered to you the week of January 19th. This organizer is designed to help you gather all the important information needed to prepare your return. You'll receive this organizer in the mail. It's broken into 5 sections. The first is the information page. We ask that you to please confirm the information listed here. You'll notice the highlighting under the driver's license information. While some states like New York require this information to electronically file your return, others requested this as an identity verification. By providing it, it can help speed up any refund. The next page is the document request list. This is a list of all the documents that were included on your prior year return. Please note the IRS now mandates direct deposit of any refunds. If we have your bank account information on file, we request that you please review this to make sure it's accurate and sign at the line above to confirm that this is the account you would like any refund being deposited to. If we do not have your bank account information on file, we ask that you please complete the information, including the bank name, routing number, and account number. As you're going through this list, please cross out any items that no longer apply. The next section is to confirm the estimated payments you made to the IRS, state, or local taxing authority. Please review your checkbook or bank statement and write in the amount paid and the date that it was paid. These amounts that are listed here are what we recommended when we originally prepared your 2024 return, but the amount that you actually paid could be different. The next page is for itemized deductions. New legislation has increased the $10,000 cap on state and local taxes to $40,000 for some taxpayers. As a result of this increase, you may benefit from itemizing where you claimed the standard deduction in the past. If your medical expenses, taxes, mortgage interest, and charitable contributions are more than the standard deduction listed here, please summarize your deductions directly on this form for us. You do not need to provide receipts. After you've completed all of the organizer information, the next page is the tax questionnaire. I understand you may have had a meeting with your financial advisor and have communicated the answer to some of these questions with them. However, I ask you to please just remind us of those answers. When you submit your tax information, it first goes to the tax department before it goes to the advisor for review. By reminding us of this information, it helps speed up the preparation process and ensures that we're able to capture all of the deductions and credits that you're entitled to. The last section is the engagement letter. This is our agreement that spells out both ours and your responsibility. Please sign, as indicated at the end, that you agree with the terms. Once you've completed the organizer and gathered all of the documents, please either drop them off or mail them to our office. We prepare returns in the order they're received. As a result, we ask that you please submit your information as early as possible. In order to give our team enough time to prepare your return, we ask that you please submit your information by March 15th. As we go through the preparation process, we'll reach out to you with any questions. Once your return is prepared, it is sent for review. At that time, your advisor or myself will reach out to you and communicate the results with you. Once reviewed, it's sent to our processing department for printing and delivery. We will send you a copy of the return before it's filed with the IRS and any applicable state. After you reviewed your return, please sign the e-file authorization form, Form 8879, and return it to our office so we can transmit your return to the IRS. We can't submit your return without the signed form. Also wanted to note that submitting your return before the April 15th deadline does not change the due date of any balance due. You could still have until April 15th to make any payments. If you have any questions about the return, Please reach out before signing that authorization form. Once that's signed, we immediately transmit your return to the IRS. After your return's been accepted, you will receive an email from our tax software confirming that your return has been received and accepted by the IRS and any state.